Hi and welcome to Chiquitascrochet. I'm going to do the tutorial for the Beebee craft products that I received on the unboxing from the previous video. I'm going to show you this simple one to use their products. The key, the little bead, glass bead, and the lever back, plus the tool that I got from them to do the little O-rings. That's the best I can do. I am new at it and hopefully get better. But that's that one, and that's the other side that I made right there with the tool. We're gonna do that. I started to make one. I was almost done, but I'll show you another. We need a key or any kind of dangle is okay. I would like to use a key. Let's do this little key. We'll do this one. We will get a lever back. And let's see, how about this little shiny pearl over here? Looks like pearl. We'll make that. And we need one of these. I forgot what this is called. But usually it has a stop. And we're going to cut that to make our little bead be by itself. Gonna cut it. We're gonna make the loop with the smallest one. Kind of twist it and slide, twist and slide. You can do your best on it. Try different tricks. But there you go. It's coming along. There you go. Now we're going to put the bead, pearl bead in here. Now we need to cut the other side a certain length. It depends on what length you like. This is pretty much the length I like. We're going to use the tool again. Make the loop. I tried it that way last time. It's beautiful. I love it. Let me see. There you go. There's the other side. Now we can, adjust it to make it flat like this, but pretty much that's how it goes. We're going to attach it now. We need the jump rings. I'm going to do a larger jump ring for the key. Let's try this one. We put the key on the jump ring. We add the bead that we made. Close it up. I close it with two with two pliers. It's easier. There you go. You do the same thing on the other side, but with the lever back. Get another jump ring. You can use a smaller one if you like. Same size. Let's try this one. Add the bead with the key and lever back, and we're done. That easy. And I'm sorry for the angle of the camera because I have it on my stand of the cell phone. the cell phone stand. And there we go. That is really easy to make. Really cute stitch marker or stitch marker or progress keeper. I hope you like it. Subscribe, like, share, and check out bbcrafts.com. Thank you for watching. Bye.